Hey, ngayi-31 zika-December 2021 ebusuku ngibona uTshatha on SABC 1 esakaza noLamezi. SABC was matching all families. Metro FM was matching with Ukhozi and uTshatha was there. Umuntu guys kuyafana. Radio benza manga. TV benza manga. His intro left uLamezi hungry for more. You could tell that if it was for uLamezi, she was gonna let uTshatha continue a little bit just to kumuzwa ecikoza ngesiZulu. Ayithathe kancane lensizwa inamandla amakhulu. Yabona into umuzalelwe yona ikuwena sidalwa. Noma ikuphi la ufika khona uyohlezi uyenzisisa mawufika. Thatha yonke attention. Hey, ningenzi la ngenzondo please. Ncoma uTshatha umsebenzi wakhe yasebenza lengane.